what makes guidance important at the beginning stage ng pag-invest?
Yeah, I think it goes back to that, yung feeling na hindi ka mag-isa. And that's what the community gives you. On top of yun nga, how mutual funds and UITFs are actually structured, di ba? It's feeling na, oh, yung mga tanong ko, tinatanong rin ng iba. Yung mga feeling ko pala or mga fears ko, fear rin pala ng iba. And that's the type of community, that's the type of engagement that we want from our ka-RFFs. Kasi we want to ensure that you're not alone, diba? We want you to trust the process, gain confidence, not just in Rampver, but also in yourselves. Kasi minsan yung fear is, kaya ko ba to? Is this really for me? Is this going to help me towards my goals? It's also the community's benefit is magka-confidence ka sa sarili mo na talagang para sa'yo to. You really need to invest in yourself, invest your hard-earned money so that your money can eventually work for you.